So we've had our breakfast and now we're enjoying a cup of coffee and just kind of pondering the things we'd like to get done throughout the day. And we decide to get the horse out and groom him up. It's been since like last fall and he is filthy. He's got dreadlocks and he really needs to be groomed, and we might go ahead and saddle him up and take him for a ride as well.
I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make me sad.
So this is Prince, my black beauty. He's 9 years old. We've had him for about 5 years now, and he's super dirty, as you guys can see. We had to spray him down with a hose, but Prince is just a really sweet horse. He's really gentle. He's never tried to bite me, Keith, or the kids. He's never tried to kick or bolt or anything. He's just a really sweet horse. He does get spooked once in a while, especially when Keith gets his tractor out. He does not like Keith's tractor. Otherwise, he's a really good horse. He comes from a champion bloodline. His father was a Frisian, mother was a saddlebred, and he is registered through Frisian Sport Horse Association. So he's pretty special to us. So after spraying Prince down with a detangling conditioner, I spray him down with some fly repellent because the flies were just out to devour him. And it took me 15 to 20 minutes just to brush his tail alone. His tail was a mess. I don't know what I would have done without that detangler.
I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops.
So here we go. You guys ready? Because I'm not sure I am. I'm a little rusty. It's been a while. So along the way, we have a visit from my little slithery friend. Yuck! So this was definitely the highlight of my day. Isn't he beautiful, you guys? Keith had to get his tractor out to get some work done, and as I was telling you guys earlier, Prince absolutely hates that tractor. But he's just so beautiful to watch. It brings me back to the days when I used to watch The Black Stallion. That was like my all-time favorite movie as a kid.
For good reason, still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright, but I knew it would not be easy, spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high.
So I'm getting caught up on laundry, and then after this I'm going to clean up the kitchen area, polish the countertops, and I will be mopping the floors.
Without you everything stops.
I'm throwing away this bouquet of flowers that have been sitting here for like 2 weeks now. The water's starting to stink, but they really stayed fresh for quite a while, 2 weeks. I'm going to go ahead and wash the vase by hand because it's crystal. And we're also going to clear off this buffet area so I can polish the granite on it, and then we will get started on some mopping.
Coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
So I'm using my Shark Steam mop. I'm very pleased with it. I've had it now for probably a year. And in case you guys were wondering, I got it at Wally World.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down.
So obviously I have a very large area to mop, but it's always so rewarding afterward. The floor just was glowing and just looked so nice, and the house just smelled so good afterward.